Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Is there any place of protection? Any shelter of safety or asylum or haven? Or occasion to run away or to come back to this world? If not, how are you then turned away? Certainly, the share of every one of you from this earth is just a piece of land equal to his own stature and size, where he would lie on his cheeks covered with dust. People have been created as a proof of his power. Have been brought up with authority. They are made to die through pangs and places in graves where they turn into crumbs. Then they would be resurrected one by one, awarded their recompense, and would have to account for their actions, each one separately. They had been allowed time to seek deliverance, had been shown the right path, and had been allowed to live and seek favors. And they had been let free in this period of life. The darkness of doubts had been removed as a training place in order to make preparation for the race on the day of judgment. Look at man whom Allah has created in the dark womb. From what was overflowing semen, then shapeless clot, then embryo, then suckling infant, then child, and then fully grown up young man. Then he gave him heart with memory, tongue to talk, and eyes to see with, in order that he may take lesson from whatever is around him, and understand it, and follow the admonition and abstain from evil. When he attained the normal growth, and his structure gained its average development, he fell in self-conceit and got perplexed. He drew bucketfuls of his desires, got immersed in fulfilling his wishes for pleasures of the world and his sordid aims. He spent his short life in rubbish pursuits. He did not fear any evil, nor got frightened of any apprehension. He died infatuated with his vices. He earned no reward, nor did he fulfill any obligation. The present is an opportune moment for acting, O creatures of Allah. Since the neck is free from the loop and spirit is also unfettered, now you have time for seeking guidance. You are in ease of body. You can assemble in crowds. The rest of life is before you. There is opportunity for repentance and peaceful circumstances. but you should act before you are overtaken by narrow circumstances and distress, or fear and weakness, before the approach of the awaited death. And before seizure by the Almighty. The powerful